I'm gonna crash into the wall. Okay, let's see. Do you want taquitos?
So what?
Stop it.
Oh.
Nice.
Pasta Farms.
Pasta, no, it's Tyson. Pasta Farm chicken.
Oh, okay.
I have to make chicken for lunch. First, you preheat the oven to 425. Scooch. Oh, is there anything in here? Huh? To where? How do you do this? Oh. No. It's gonna stink in here because this smells. How much macaroni and cheese? I don't want that. I need some tin foil.
You don't need help breaking it, right?
No. Tin foil is way easier than the other kinds.
I'm just gonna.
I'm scared I'm gonna cut myself with this. Where's our pan? What? What are you laughing at?
You're like.
How many pieces do you want?
How much are they?
How much are they?
No.
Did you just ask me how much they costed?
No.
Sounded like you did.
I said, how big are they?
$4.95.
Oh my gosh.
How many do you want?
No, 2.
2?
Yeah.
You want to pick your piece?
Oh my god. Do I really care? Oh, crazy. Crazy. Duh.
This one looks like a dinosaur or something. Nice. There we go. Then we're going to put these in there for 20 minutes. Then we're going to flip them and then for another 20 minutes. What time is it?
Oh.
I know, right? Oh no, for 10 minutes, then another 10 minutes. Oh man, stank it. Danielle, croissant. We should watch the Karate Kid while we're eating.
I haven't seen it.
Oh, I can't do it. Not on this card.
Oh, if only you could smell this.
I know, if only you guys could smell this. It smells like poop. I'm just kidding. No, it doesn't.
You would know.
It smells like gas. Not that kind of gas, but gas that comes out of a tank.
Not that.
Oh, they cut the Jello.
Oh, oh. Jiggle, jiggle. You guys buy a lot of eggs. Is this better?
Freaking hate. I don't know. What do you know? It's butter. Butter, butter, butter. Hey, butter, butter, butter. Let's see if we can do the moonwalk. Just kidding. Tongs. Is that what those are called? Mom, what are these called? Crotch pot. That's in Spanish. I meant in English, Mother. I know. Not thongs, tongs.
I know, Tom.
Oh. Shove these in here. Ooh. Hot.
That's why'd you get burned. Toodles.
Till next time. Pause it. Can you pause it? Wait.
Is there a pause button?